Hello, my beautiful gang. How are you guys doing? I am doing fine. Today, as you can see, my guys, my 4C gang, we are doing a beautiful review on these products. Now, these products are from the Cream of Nature coconut milk line, and these are some of my favorite products to use, especially the leave-in conditioner. I've been using this for years now, and I really do like it, but I've never really tried out the other products, so that is what we are about to do today. So we are starting off in the shower, and we are going to take off my bonnet that I had on. This is what I sleep in, and as you can see, my hair is purple because I did the hair color wax, and it was amazing. I really did like the color. It's a really good way of coloring your hair without having the process of damaging your hair by making it color treated. Now I'm going to wash this out of my hair, just rinse it out, and I was surprised when it really did came out like really good. No left backs, no stains, anything like that. So yes, this is my hair after I just washed it. And now guys, we are starting off with the detangling and conditioning shampoo. Now this shampoo was really good because it left my scalp feeling clean and refreshing, and my hair was soft and very manageable. The elasticity was there, everything was there. It was really good, and I really did enjoy this shampoo. Now I'm just going to apply it directly to my scalp because that is what you want to cleanse your scalp, not technically your hair, but you would let the shampoo run down your hair, but you want to make sure that the shampoo is really getting into your scalp and cleaning all of the buildup. By the way, guys, if you want to see, or if you haven't seen the video where I put on the hair color wax as yet, I will make sure to link it in the description box so you can see it and see how beautiful my hair was. Now let me just say that all of these products smell alike, like that coconut mixture. It was so really soothing to the hair. Now I'm just gonna let you guys watch me while I shampoo.
In the detail, inward inside. Oh, a holy crime. But how can I hide you without an alibi? It's a lover's fight without an alibi. You took my innocence. I can't wait no longer. I'm playing with them.
Now guys, I have shampooed my hair, and I will be rinsing the shampoo out of my hair. I'm going to rinse it completely clear, and then I'm going in with conditioning my hair after getting all of that buildup out of my hair. And by the way, this shampoo did leave my hair feeling extremely soft, and my scalp was extremely clean. So here's the end results of using the shampoo, and you can see there's a little bit of coils and curls right there. Now that is a good shampoo. That's how you know that your shampoo is really good for your hair. Yes, I was really feeling it. Look at me. Yep, good shampoo. Now guys, I have sectioned my hair into 4 sections, and I will be working with this back section right here, and I will be applying the detangling and conditioning conditioner. Now this conditioner can work as 2 conditioners, which is 1, the washed out conditioner, and 2, a deep conditioner. So you can actually put a cap on your head and let it sit for a couple of minutes and then wash it out. So that is really convenient to this conditioner, because having a conditioner that can both deep condition and just rinse out when you just on the go and you just want to condition your hair quickly is really convenient. Now I'm just going to apply the conditioner to that back section and throughout all my hair, and I'll be back after my hair has been completely conditioned.
They brought me alive, but got no alibi. It's a lover's fight without an alibi. Took my innocence without an alibi. Smoking gun, you got me on the run. We know that will come. We're out up till dawn, but how can I hide it without an alibi? It's a lover's fight without an alibi. Took my innocence. I can't wait no longer. I'm playing with the monsters. Everything that brought me alive. Oh, we're all like monsters, playing with the monsters. They brought me alive, but got no alibi. It's a lover's fight without an alibi. Took my innocence.
Okay guys, I have put the conditioner all throughout my hair, and I put my hair into twist, and this is what my hair is looking like. Yes, fabulous. The conditioner has so much slip, and it was really softened into my hair. Now I'm going to put my hair under my plastic cap so that it can sit for a couple of minutes. Now I really like to deep condition because it's really good for your hair. Now I'm gonna take off the plastic cap and just rinse the conditioner out of my hair while it's in the twist. By the way, the conditioner really gave me a soft look, and it was really moisturizing. Like, I do advise you guys, by the way, this is not sponsored, but I do advise you guys to try out these products and see if they would work for you. Now I am stepping out the shower, and I'll be using the Curl Repair Leave-In Conditioner. Now this leave-in conditioner is, as I said before, the best leave-in conditioner I've ever tried. It's so amazing, so softening to my hair. Like, I can put this into my hair for 2 weeks and my hair will still be moisturized after those 2 weeks. But of course, I mostly protective style, but not today. I will not be protective styling. I will be doing a wash and go. Yes, wash and go. I bet you guys didn't know that I was going to do a wash and go, but yes, this is what I'm doing. So I've already washed my hair. Now I'm prepping my hair to style. So I'm putting my hair up in a half up, half down, just leaving one twist out. So I will be working with that back section. Now, in that back section, I'll be using the leave-in conditioner and another secret product. Now, we will see the secret product as we go on, but I'm just going to apply the leave-in conditioner to my hair. Yes, it smells so good. It's so moisturizing. Like, what more of a leave-in conditioner would you want? Am I right, girl? Or am I right, Force again? Like, this is the best leave-in conditioner. I do advise you guys to try it out because it's so damn moisturizing. Now here I'm finger combing to make sure that my curls clump together really nicely, and that is what I was hoping with this with these products, that my hair would clump together. And I'm also going to detangle with a wide tooth comb to make sure that there's no knots or any tangles in my hair. So yeah, So now I'm taking the Shine and Hold Control Glue. Now, it's not actually glue, it's just a gel that is very, very sticky. It reminds me a lot of Gorilla Snot. If you guys haven't seen that, I did a video on Gorilla Snot before, and it's the same consistency. And it had me a bit skeptical on putting it onto my hair, but you know, we trying some stuff. But girl, as soon as I put this onto my curls were just like clumping together. They were really nice, and it left my hair really moisturized. Actually, all of these products was quite moisturizing, so that is a plus because we do really need some moisture in our hair. Also, guys, it gave me definition, which is what I was looking for because I was doing a wash and go, of course. Now I'm going to do this all throughout my hair, leave-in conditioner, and then put the Shine and Hold Control Glue onto my hair and shingle it throughout my hair. And this will be done for all throughout my hair, and make sure that I do this. But guys, stay tuned to the end because there's a surprise coming up that you guys will love. There is a surprise coming up, so make sure that you are stay tuned and make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, like this video, and comment in the comment box what else you guys would love me to do on my hair. So yes.
The devil's in the detail, lingering inside. Oh, a holy crime. But how can I hide you without an alibi? It's a lover's fight without an alibi. You took my innocence. I can't wait no longer. I'm playing with the monsters. Everything that brought me alive. Though we're all like monsters, playing with the monsters. They brought me alive, but got no alibi. It's a lover's fight without an alibi. You took my innocence without an alibi. Smoking gun, you got me on the run. We know that will come. We're out up till dawn. But how can I hide you without an alibi? It's a lover's fight without an alibi. Took my innocence. I can't wait no longer. I'm playing with the monsters. Everything that brought me alive. Oh, we're all like monsters, playing with the monsters. They brought me alive, but got no alibi. It's a lover's fight without an alibi. You took my innocence without an alibi.
So guys, after applying all of the gel and the leave-in conditioner to my hair. I'm then going to shake the heck out of my hair. Shake it out, make sure that the curls clump together. And yeah, this is how I get my most definition, by shaking my hair. Now this is the end results. Well, it has to dry and stuff like that, but this is my hair after I have shingled it and put the control glue and everything onto my hair. It looks really fabulous, but I'm not finished. I am going to be putting, yes, the hair paint wax on my hair. Now this is after I put the hair paint wax onto my hair and I sat under the dryer for quite some time. And as you can see, it is looking fabulous. Like, I was loving it, sis. It was so pretty, so curly, so beautiful. Like, my individual curls were so beautiful. I just loved it. Now, I really did enjoy doing this wash and go for you guys. I hope you liked it. So we have come to the end of the video. It was amazing trying this out for you guys to see. So I want you guys to remember to be you, be unique, and be natural. And thank you guys for watching. Bye!